present out here, and this is Mishri Pali Saxena welcomes all of you once again on behalf of Intercontinental Hotel Group, who have organized such a mesmerizing evening for all of you in form of Global Sales Office launch in India. That's a very auspicious occasion, so let's have a huge round of applause for this wonderful occasion. Can we hear a huge round of applause? That's the spirit. And today we all are gathered here to really, expand our family and really make the best out of this evening by connecting with more and more people and make a real fruitful, longer-lasting association. So are you guys ready for that? I'm sure a lot of people are here. And we have this wonderful Jugalbandi band of classical instruments. I'm sure you must be enjoying a lot of ragas out here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a quiz program after a couple of minutes, and which will really fetch you some real attractive good gift vouchers which you can take back home as a memorable token from IHG today evening. So I'm going to just share some information about Intercontinental Hotel Group. So kindly lend your ears so it will help you out to answer correctly the quiz which we're going to have after a couple of minutes. From the first class brewery in 1777 to today's hotels company with more guest rooms than any other, Intercontinental Hotels Group history is one of the pioneering people and new ideas. IHG is an international hotel company whose goal is to create great hotels guests love by making our brands the first choice for guests and hotel owners.